Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a question October 14 and variant 41 question number 11. Topic is a whole level sequence. We have given this table and some diagram dimension. One more actually will make it. Okay, we have this diagram mentioned here in which we have a tape diagram. This first column for diagram. Okay, number of the white square. You can see here many white but one gray only. Gray number of gray squares, white squares, and total number of squares. For example, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So white squares 12, but no gray. So no gray at all. And total, if you add them, 12. Here count one time. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And 18 and 18 and 220, I think. Let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 white and 1 gray and total 21. Rest you know what is method. So first of all, we have to fill these values nth term. So let's go for the first one. So what is way we have here? So like A is 12 and common difference I think so 8. How come? 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 8 28. So formula you know A plus N minus 1 times to D. This 12 comes here and D is 8. So 8 times 2 and 8N, 8 times 2 1, 8. And 8 we got 4 plus 8N and this our nth term. So nth term is coming for this is 4 plus 8N. Okay. And I'm looking for 4, so put 4, 32. 32 plus 4, 36. So we have an answer. So let's go for the other one. This is for white. This is for white squares. Now talk about the gray squares. So gray squares, what situation we have? So what is A? A is, I think so, these are not simple that much. So it's not AP because AP is not there. Okay. This is not GP even, but these are square numbers. How I know? Check please. And if I check it, the other one 9 comes. So this is a 0 square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Remove the squares, you get this. Okay. And formula, you know, now become AP. First it was not AP, now it become AP. A is 0, N minus 1 into D. Formula is here. Okay, D is 1. Apply the formula, we got an N minus 1 nth term. So first I remove square, now bring back. Answer is coming N minus 1 to power square. So these are our answers. Okay, so here I'm writing here, the nth term is N minus 1 whole square. Okay, and we can check even if you put 1 minus 1 0, we put 2 here, 2 minus 1 square is 1. You put 3 here, 3 minus 1 is 2 square 4, and you put a 4 here, we got a 9. Is it correct? It works. Okay, and this is just adding them. So 20 plus 1 21, 24 plus 32. If you add them, it becomes 45. Okay, even you can check it if you add them and you must get the same answer. Anyway, move on. Next one, work out the number diagram which has a total and 480. So total is here. So it means this is a number of tiles. I will not put in this 480 in the place of no. This actually Tn is equal to n plus 1 times to n plus 5. He said number of squares. So we should put this value here. So 480 is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 5. These are actually 2-mark question. So we have 2 techniques to solve it. 1, multiply, apply quadratic formula, and 1 by trial and error method. Multiply, okay, I'll do both for you. N square, n and 5, okay. 1n and 5, okay. So we got an n square, add them, become 6n. This 480 goes there. 480 is here, 0, so plus 5 minus 480. So n square plus 6n plus, so it's 5 gone, so minus 475 equal to 0. Apply formula and answer comes. So this is not a hard job. Okay. Second method, I am just leaving for you b minus b plus and minus. Minus no need because they're only plus only. And b squared minus 4a is 1, c is minus 475. By 2a, this will give you directly your answer. Okay. And if you're looking for answer, I just give you quickly. So it gave you minus 6 and plus root 36 and plus 4 times 2, 475. And answer it divided by 2. I got a 19 answer sharp, exact 19 answer. Okay. But second method, I'm just saying or. So this is called by trial and error method. By trial and error method. Trial and error method. Error method. What does this method says? You will try some numbers, and because he said 480 is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 5. So try some numbers, but a gap between them is what? 4 gap. 4 gap. So I try numbers, for example, I try with I think so, like if I try with 20 times 224, yeah, it works. 20 times 224, so give you 480. Okay, so this is equal to that. So n plus 1 equal to 20, and n becomes 19. The way number 2, both works, no issue. You can take any one. So total number of squares in first n diagram, but this is the most important word is here first. I will write red marker so you can understand clearly. Okay, with this first word or without first word, your story is totally different. Okay, first I show you without first word how we'll deal. If the first word is not there, total number of square tiles in n diagram. So let's talk about 1. So put 1 everywhere. So 1 cube plus p times to 1 square plus q times to 1 equal to, in one diagram, how many total square we have? A 12. I need to keep a 12. So it's got a hard job for, okay. So we got a 1 by 3 plus p plus q and 12. It goes there. 12 minus 1 by 3. Okay, and equal to p plus q. And p plus q gives you what? 35 by 3. And you check it, it comes same, because if we divide 35 by 3, we got 11, 33 and 2 left. So it means 11, 3 over 2 proved. Okay, so proved. Okay, this is not issue. Issue is here. When you don't use a first word and you replace n2 everywhere, put 2 here. So I got a 2 cube and put 2 here. I got 2 here. Okay, equal to, if I read total number of squares in 2 diagram, diagram number 2. So boys will put here 21. Okay, but if the first word comes, first word which is a part of question actually. So let's read now. Total number of the square in first 2 diagrams. So first 2 diagram means add them. So become 33. 12 plus 21, 33. So this is wrong. So we have to put here 33. Okay, it means with first word we have to add. Without first word we should not add at all. Okay, so let's see now. How to solve it. It is not a hard. So 33 minus 8 divided by 3. It's come 91 by 3 and 4p plus 2q. And you make it and it comes the same 31/3. So proved. Now I want to solve this and this simultaneously. Equation 1 here, equation 2. So you solve one, but what we have here? Q2. So this into 2. So 1 multiplied by 2, simply subtract from 2. Into 2, 2p, 2q, and 70 by 3. Okay, and this is a 4p and plus 2q equal to 91 by 3. And subtracting, you know, this cancel. Minus 2p we get here. And let's see now what answer comes here. So 70 divided by 3 minus 91 divided by 3. Answers come minus 7. And p is coming 7 by 2. Sharp value. And this value you can keep it there. So put in 1. So I got a 7 by 2 plus q equal to 35 by 3. And q is coming, let me check, 35 divided by 3 minus 7 divided by 2 is coming 49 by 6, and which is our required answer, and that's it.